Not something they teach you at flight school. But it's one of those things that you just have to do every once in a while, you know? We sometimes refer to this as an unusual attitude. There he goes. You know, it's funny, I watch it and I can see the rudder crank all the way around and just watch it just kind of lazily going in there. Well, I think they go to a fairly big one. Okay, we got one more aircraft due in here imminently, and then we're gonna